Good day to all, dear friends! I welcome to the Crypto Samurai channel. In this video, we will talk to you about the current trends in the cryptocurrency market and how to make money on your assets. I think it is important for everyone, and especially for novice crypto enthusiasts, to know how the crypto community lives and how you can really get money out of thin air. Get comfortable. We are about to start. Cryptocurrency is an ambitious term for modern investors and users who want to get rich and see it as the future of the global economy. And this is not at all surprising. The possibilities of cryptocurrency transactions are amazing. Not only are they fast and simple, but they are also secured by the blockchain, a sophisticated technology that tracks the history of all transactions. No intermediaries and overpayments, no loss. Of course, many will point out the strong volatility of many cryptocurrencies, which can even affect stablecoins. But still, this is really one of the options for the future micro and macro economies of many countries in the world. The question arises, is it really possible to make money on cryptocurrency? The answer is quite obvious, yes. For many years, crypto experts and investors have been looking for ways to co-ownership with the flow of funds that circulates in various tokens and investment projects. Many famous personalities are buying bitcoins and investing them in projects that are ready to increase your savings. And they really do it. The current trends in the cryptocurrency world are aimed at preserving and increasing your assets through constant mining or working with your deposit. Many projects provide staking services, analogous to mining and a more simplified form, multiplying and creating deposits, where your profit will grow in just a minute. We are offered such favorable conditions that we can earn tokens just by playing games. But it is really so. I figured it out, and here's what I found out. Let's start with games that promise us easy and pleasant earnings. Orbital, Token Lands, Poke Money, and many other promising projects are vivid examples of such projects. You can find a detailed review of most of them on my channel. The way to earn money in such projects is simple. Play and earn in-game currency tokens, which can later be freely withdrawn to your wallet. Our team really liked the Orbital project. Despite the raised simple and concise design, the project has absorbed the best that this way of earning can present. A user can earn an average of 200 TON per day from their own token. But of course, it all depends on your activity. There are a lot of projects similar to Orbital, and you will definitely find the optimal game for yourself in terms of design and the complexity of its passage. I recommend that you pay attention to the current cost of tokens, because some of them are simply not profitable to play. Do you know what actually is beneficial? That's right, NFTs. In short, NFTs is not fungible token that is actively used in all games, platforms, and as an independent unit. Prices for various NFTs can start from a couple of cents to several tens of millions of dollars. This is a real trend for 2021-2022 and most likely 2023. As you already understood, you can also get quite passive and decent profits on NFTs. You can do both buying and creating NFTs. But there is something more interesting. For example, the NFT Pump project, which offers its services in buying only a part of one valuable NFT. By investing even a small part of the funds, you pay for a certain share on the NFT token, which is sold in the future. From this, the user receives a regular income, which depends on the amount deposited. I would be telling about it if I hadn't experienced it personally. The project really allows you to receive regular income from the amount of the deposit, which is updated once a minute. There are no problems with the withdrawal either, so feel free to pay attention to it and try to increase your capital. Something new that I was able to find and what I could really become a trend in 2022 is a social network, Fiddle, which pays out rewards for your daily activity, likes, posts, comments, everything that we used to do every day. The project is still new and not so well known, but it already boasts a large community and real benefits for its users. You can also find an overview on this project on my channel. Finally, I would like to talk about TRX projects. At the beginning of 2022, they attracted a huge amount of attention from the entire crypto community, and for a reason. They really help to increase your assets over a certain period, but you need to be more careful with them. I cannot recommend any specific TRX project to you, but you can look at many reviews and find more profitable ones. If you are interested, then write about it in the comments under the video, and perhaps I will make a separate video for you on this issue. Let's summarize this video. The current trends in the cryptocurrency world are aimed at making passive profits, including using NFT technologies. A lot of people are actively using this to create vast meta-universes, and someone is creating games where everything has its own value. However, these trends will not remain only in 2022, so I strongly recommend it that you pay attention to NFT projects and alternative meta-universes. They are definitely the future, and this is where our video comes to an end. Do not forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, because it is there that you will find even more interesting news. Thanks everyone for watching.